Hello, welcome. My name is Sanjeev, and thank you so much for coming to this video. And on this video, I wanted to show you a particular style of channel that I'm using to build my another business. And this particular niche is like really blowing up, really trendy at the moment. So I'm seeing new channels that's actually starting up and getting on the track to success. And most of the channels are not actually utilizing the method that I'm going to be sharing with you. And if you do utilize this method, if you done correctly, you're gonna be making a lot of money very fast. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right, so as you can see on my search, I've typed in Andrew Tate. Right, Andrew Tate, he was blowing up and then he stopped and he started blowing up again. Right, so this is a perfect opportunity for a complete beginner to start putting out content for Andrew Tate. Right, Andrew Tate, you can make a channel about like motivational style of channel. And what you're going to do at the end of every video, you're going to be inserting your offer. Right, if you don't have an offer, if you don't know what I'm talking about a program that literally pays you ongoing commissions. Right, so and the company that I've actually partnered with actually pays 80% commission. I'll show you my proof, I'll show you all the backend, so you can see within a very short amount of time I've been able to build it up to a lot of money, and I'm also getting started. Right, so and the benefit of this is it pays you recurring commissions. So just in case something happens to your YouTube channel, you can still continue to have that income stream that's like building month after month. Right, so what you need to do is start a motivational style of channel. Right, yes, I know there's people saying that YouTube won't monetize your motivation channels, but the way I'm going to be sharing with you, you can pretty much take the same process and apply it to your channel, and your channel will never get demonetized. Right, so what you need to do for motivation style of channel is pretty much you're going to compile all the audios from different speakers. Right, so you're gonna have Andrew Tate in the beginning, maybe you're gonna have Steve Harvey, maybe TD Jakes, and then at the end you might have Joe Austin, and then Andrew Tate right at the end. And once done correctly, then you're gonna go to website called ChatGPT. Right, you probably know about it, just to write your script. So first you need to find the topic of the particular video, what topic you're gonna be covering in that video. So that way you can go to ChatGPT and say to ChatGPT, can you give me can you write me a script on overcoming hard life, right? Something like that, overcoming hard life. And you can also say how many words you want. And what you're gonna do once you get that script, you're gonna come to the audio part, the voiceover. I use the amazing voiceover. If you need access to a voiceover, I'll leave a link in the comment below, and you can use that. There's a lot of other voiceovers called Well Said Lab and Descript. Right, so there's a lot in there. I just use the software, and make sure the software that you're actually using, it actually sounds very human. Right, so and when you get the script, you're going to go to the voiceover software and put the script there, so you makes a voiceover. And then that voiceover, I need to take it and insert it in the other audio. Right, so you got now Andrew Tate, then you got Steve Harvey, then you're gonna put some of that little bit of audio from the voiceover that you got in the middle, then Joel Austin, then maybe Tony Robbins, then at the end you might have voiceover software, and then Andrew Tate at the end. Right, so that's how you compile it. Then you're gonna put your subtitle, then you're gonna put your background music. Come on, give me oh yeah if you're getting some value out of this. Yeah, so then you're gonna put your own intro, right? Own intro, and then own background music, and that's how you're going to compile this video. And right at the end, you're gonna insert saying, if you're interested in making money online, click on this video, click on the link below this video, and go to the website and find out like how to actually make money online, right? So that's a very easy way you're gonna utilize the trends and also be sending people to you like your offer right at the end of the description, right? I mean end of the video. And then after that, what you need to do, I'll just quickly show you my proof, what I've been able to build within a very short amount of time, just to show you that I'm not making some sort of numbers, right? So you can see this is the system that's running for me on autopilot, and every time I get a sale, right, you can see this is my email and I get money coming into the account. So you can see sale, 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 sale. I'll keep going down, sale, 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 sale. So these sales you can see is literally coming every day or every second day, right? Sale, 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 sale. So it's very easy to make money with this actual offer, because the offer is so good, so great that everyone wants it, right? So I'll also show you my results, right? I've literally not started this not so long ago, right? You can see the numbers, $3,120, right? And you see my biggest day, $820, guys. People work a whole week and sometimes they're not even able to earn $820, right? So you can see the magic. But the great thing is this is recurring income. Like once I'm building it, it keeps coming. The income just keeps coming in the bank account, like day in and day out. Like some days you're not gonna get sale, right? This is with any business. I've just started building it. I'm only using the method that I'm telling you now, right? This is all free method I'm using, right? But once I start to pay for traffic, it's just gonna be so amazing, and these numbers will go like double, triple, quadruple, like whatever you want to do with the numbers, right? So you can see $820, $800, and then today we got a sale for $40, but it's only early morning here. You can see 9:13 a.m., but this number will definitely increase, right? So the actual company that I'm using, I'm also going to be sharing with you the company I'm using that actually pays like amazing commissions, you know, so commissions coming to your bank account, flooding in and day out. So this is a company I'm actually promoting. So how you can get access to this, let me share with you quickly, so you can see the power of this, right? Not many people are utilizing it, and even if they're utilizing it, they are pretty much promoting the wrong offers, which are not getting them any results, right? So this is recurring commissions. You're gonna be getting paid month after month, which is like really awesome. So if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you are, go below this video, right? And I got a link here. Very easy. Click the link here. Once you click that link, let me do it with you so you can see, right? It's very easy, simple. All you have to do is just clicking the buttons, right? You're gonna put your name here, and make sure you're putting your very best email here, right? So I'll put my very best email address because I will be sending you a personal email just to, you know, welcome you in my team. So pretty much what you can see here, you can watch this video, right? And then you need to go here and then click this button. This will open up the page here, and then you can read about it here, like what this is. But you can see very easily, pays you recurring commissions, like you can see right here, right? Month after month. And you can literally get started. I'll click on this. You can literally get started today for just $25, right? Which is awesome. Paying $25 and get paid $3,100, which is just awesome. And then I'm just getting started with these guys. So what you need to do, go and quickly do the checkout. But wait, the company also pays you bonus, right? It pays you 100% free bonus. So to get the bonus, you need to click this button here and then go ahead and do the checkout, right? So that's how you actually find out. And then with Andrew Tate, what you need to do is keep posting about Andrew Tate, because he's like really trending. And keep doing the method that I'm telling you. You will definitely get results. If you're not being able to get results with online business, this is the best thing that I've ever found. And I've been in the online space since 2014, so it's been a while. I've done many business in the meanwhile, but this is the best one that I've seen, because it pays you recurring commission, right? Compared to YouTube automation, something happens to your channel, you don't have any control over it, whereas this, you have full control over it, right? So those are the things you need to utilize and do to start earning significant amount of money. And I'll also leave all the links in the description. You can go and check it out. And also I'll put my Facebook profile link. You can come and connect with me, and I'm here to help and support and guide you every single step of the way. So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you all. Bye for now.